Combining a traditional design and incredible cooking performance, this leisure electric range cooker is the perfect addition for any large family home. The 5-zone ceramic hob accommodates all of your large pots and pans, so you can easily cook larger meals for the whole family. Whether boiling or frying, you can prepare your meals all at the same time. The programmable main oven can turn itself on and off at the pre-selected times you set. Perfect if you want your food to be sizzling hot and ready to eat as you get home. Catalytic liners use heat from the oven to break down the grease and fat that builds up inside your cooker over time. You won't have to spend hours scrubbing with expensive cleaners anymore, as you can simply wipe away mess with a damp cloth. Cook up a feast with this powerful and robust leisure electric range cooker.